Welcome, guys. It's raining. No riding today. Cloudy. Rainy. I'm so sad. No Hayabusa today. Ooh, thunder. Oh, I hope you guys heard that. That was fucking awesome. So it's raining right now, but as you guys can tell, no bike today. It's all wet. And many of you may say, hey, why don't you put a cover on it? It's okay. It's designed to take the elements. Now you guys might be curious about this beauty here. One of my friends R6. I'm just holding it for him in the meantime. But yeah, pretty cool. Sweet bike is just here collecting dust and corrosion. Oh crap, it's raining harder. I'm gonna end the video short, guys. Sorry. Well, I'm gonna stand underneath my grape tree. Look at this, my grapevines. They're protecting me from the water. Whoa. Well, guys, just want to give you guys an update. No riding, no anything today. Just wanted to show you guys no riding because of the rain. And I don't have rain gear, or else I would still ride. But, oh, that was lightning. Watch. Here comes the thunder, guys. Where'd it go? Sweet. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys soon. Laters.